I couldn't figure out where to put the wrench, because I use it all the time too.
Where do you left it? I think somebody locked one of these screws in the corrode.
Who would do that?
Oh, that thing feels like it's gonna go.
I like the stubby that actually has the
That would go in.
That's not good. Oh, that's terrible.
ugh.
That is terrible, as a matter of fact.
Well, there goes all them threads. Got all the corrosion out there. Look at that.
Wow, that's not good.
It's not like you just squirt in there either. It's 2 inches in. That's why I don't like
What are you doing over there, Luke? What are you doing again?
No, I'm just trying to drop oil.
There it goes.
All three are sleeping together now? What are you looking for?
Pull that oil plug.
Oil plug. Oil plug?
Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Thank you.
Hey, create a suction, huh?
You mean it vented adequately?
Really suck coming out.
Oil looks horribly dirty for as new as it is.
There's one in the front too, Tatro.
I see that.
This one.
I see it.
Up here. Hmm? Huh? What am I missing?
I need a hammer to knock that free. Need a pair of dikes to get that hose off.
Oh, I see. No, you missed one on the bottom. You missed one, Tatro.
What?
You missed one. You missed one right there.
There's another one?
Yeah.
What if I hit it really hard a few times? Will it go?
No, I think that might be good to take that one out first.
Maybe I'll pop this line first. The old tool still. How old is that hose?
Paradise.
20 years.
Pretty damn old.
20-year-old hose right there.
You don't want to come off. Well, it's not a formed hose too much, so it is kind of semi-replaceable.
Simi.
It's definitely going to be hard.
You want a heat gun? You want to warm it up?
I don't think the heat gun's going to help it any.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Just cut the whole hose.
See if I can pull it from this thing.
Good luck on that.
Wow, that thing is hard.
Coming off the pieces. I think we're going to have to splurge for a new hose. Getting that good rubber stuff I sold you?
Then cut the thing, man. Just cut it and get it out of the way.
I have a razor blade right here.
Oh.
Now that you say that.
Don't try to start it right now, Tatro. What's going on?
Taking a vertical view here.
What? What's that?
Why cut it, right?
No, I want to get the hose off.
Right.
Well, wait. You have a razor blade? Knock the hose off. Slip the hose lengthwise.
Cut it.
He just likes whipping that knife out. He just like whipping it out. Whip it good.
You don't have to go that far. You can go half inch.
But it doesn't really matter, Tatro. He's gonna have to replace the whole hose in the hole.
We're just talking about trying to get it off.
Just cut the hose. Cut in the middle of the hose.
No,
Pull
we still
one.
got to pull the hose off. Now get the other side too. That's why I left it tight so they come off.
I guess we get a little advertisement here with a big Tatro machine on the back of his.
Got a little advertisement. There we go, I like it.
Man pants.
Coveralls.
Okay, you done playing on that? Good.
She got some slices in there.
Did it come off? Oh, it's coming.
Put a big ass screwdriver on that bitch. I keep leaning forward, but I'm not.
Yes, sir.
Well, we just
Sorry,
it
folks.
came off in fair condition.
My camera stuff's not very good.
All right, don't need this. Okay, Fred, what did I do wrong there?
You know that.
You're missing one.
This one down here? The fourth one?
Yeah.
You think of that?
Yeah. Oh, that's not good.
Oh, I lost something.
Hey, you dropped something on the Tatro. Something came loose. Got some grease.
We have to sacrifice a new rag here.
It's okay, we got lots of them for the
I only
sacrifice.
have one. He only gave me one.
Well,
That's not true. I gave you a stack.
I got one.
I gave you one stack.
I got my screwdriver coiling now. In my thumb. I got the black thumb now.
is it STP now? You won't be able to hold it and slip out of your hand?
That is some nasty looking stuff there. I don't know what it is.
There's a lot of gross over here too. Real gross.
Here's the throat bearing, it's still good. Starter's gotta come free. Cables. Fred, I lost my rag. Whose rag is this?
Does it have the bunny on it?
This is my new clean one?
Yeah. Luke, what are you doing?
Is there a bunny on this? This is my new clean rag.
You say it funny?
It's a funny, not bunny. How did I get that out of there? Got a half inch? Uh-oh. That broke the starter free, not the one I wanted to. It broke the post free in the starter.
Yeah, that's not good.
Crystallizing the rubber on that. Sure.
It's pretty soft.
I think you're gonna get some comments on my filming. He keeps wandering off.
It's not wandering, it's called
Keep
sleeping.
falling asleep!
I keep falling asleep.
We gotta tighten this up. No, it's tight. This thing don't move. I hope it didn't break the inside all. I'll figure out if it don't work now. That is a special metric nut. Don't lose it.
Okay, we'll leave it right there.
Starter's free.
Who's this guy? This guy you can plug to?
No, it's pull the starter. Get all the bolts out.
Two, there's two. Is there another one somewhere?
They all right? It should come free. You just got a
Is there
support.
one down here somewhere, over here?
It's got some kind of a support thing over here. It doesn't do anything.
Just look for this.
It's free. Put the gasket on there or something, it felt like. Oh, they got a rubber gasket? No, just goo. Now these can come off. I hope you don't want to break these though. Be gentle. I don't know if it matters which way you
Gentle.
go. Probably doesn't. Do we care about the speed sensor? We'll keep that or just take it off?
Is that the neutral safety switch or speed sensor?
Speed sensor.
Huh? Oh,
Do we care about that? We don't. You want to protect it? Should have a quick disconnect up somewhere. Here it is up over here. It's right here.
Alright, Tatro, is there gonna be big chunks of metal in the bottom of this transmission?
No.
I mean, pardon me, bottom of the oil pan?
Pull that out like instead of leverage out the transmission. Actually, I have to pull it off. No chunks on the mag.
What's that?
No chunks on the magnet. Pull the bowl up. You have a lot of corrosion on these things. What do you think, Fred?
Pretty tight. Keep going. Sorry again, keep wandering down.
Are you wandering, Fred?
I think I need to put this on the tripod.
We need a tripod, sir.
I think we're gonna
We need a tripod, sir.
try. Yeah.
Tripod. Tripod. Fred's falling asleep again. We need a tripod.
Just keep. Yeah.